Welcome to Uncommon Facts, your ultimate channel for exploring everything extraordinary. Are you ready to uncover truths and debunk myths across all realms of knowledge? From history's hidden stories to tomorrow's technology, from Earth's deep mysteries to cosmic enigmas, we dive deep into it all. Every week, we bring you facts that are as fascinating as they are rare. Dive into stories that will astonish, educate, and inspire. So make sure to subscribe and join us as we uncover the secrets of the unusual and the unknown. Here, every fact is a journey, and every story is an adventure. Join us every week as we bring you surprising revelations and strange facts that will challenge your understanding of the world around you. So hit that subscribe button, and let's start unraveling the mysteries of the universe together. Remember, every discovery tells a story, and every fact opens a door. Stay curious and prepare to be amazed. This is Uncommon Facts, where the only thing you can expect is the unexpected. Psychological disorders can profoundly affect individuals, shaping their perceptions, emotions, and interactions with the world. While many are familiar with common mental health issues, such as depression and anxiety, there exists a spectrum of rare psychological disorders that often go unnoticed. These unusual conditions can manifest in perplexing ways, challenging our understanding of the human mind. This exploration delves into several rare psychological disorders, their symptoms, and their impacts on those who live with them, while addressing essential questions about these conditions. What are rare psychological disorders? Rare psychological disorders, also known as uncommon or atypical disorders, are conditions that affect a small percentage of the population. The National Organization for Rare Disorders defines a rare disorder as one that affects fewer than 200,000 people in the United States. This classification encompasses a variety of psychological conditions that are often misunderstood due to their infrequency and the complex nature of their symptoms. Some examples include Capgras Syndrome, where individuals believe that someone close to them has been replaced by an imposter, and Cotard's Delusion, characterized by the belief that one is dead or does not exist. These disorders illustrate the intricacies of human perception and cognition. They often challenge conventional understandings of reality, leading to profound implications for the individuals affected. The rarity of these disorders can contribute to a lack of awareness and understanding among both the public and healthcare professionals, complicating the journey to diagnosis and treatment. When do these disorders occur? The onset of rare psychological disorders can vary significantly among individuals, often influenced by genetic, environmental, and neurological factors. For instance, Capgras Syndrome frequently arises in individuals with neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's, or following traumatic brain injuries. The onset may be sudden, occurring in the context of acute medical conditions, or it may develop gradually over time as cognitive functions decline. Conversely, Cotard's Delusion is often associated with severe depression or psychotic disorders, and may appear in the context of major life changes or stressors. The age of onset can vary widely, with some disorders manifesting in childhood and others emerging in adulthood. Understanding the timing and context of these disorders is crucial for effective diagnosis and treatment. Why do rare psychological disorders matter? Raising awareness about rare psychological disorders is essential for several reasons. Firstly, these conditions can have a profound impact on the lives of those affected, leading to social isolation, difficulty in maintaining relationships, and challenges in daily functioning. Understanding the nuances of these disorders helps foster empathy and support from the community. Secondly, awareness can facilitate earlier diagnosis and intervention. Many individuals with rare disorders experience lengthy journeys to receive proper care, often misdiagnosed or overlooked due to the uncommon nature of their symptoms. By promoting understanding among healthcare professionals and the public, we can improve access to resources and treatments. Which disorders are considered rare? Several rare psychological disorders have garnered interest in clinical psychology and psychiatry. Some notable examples include Capgras Syndrome. Capgras Syndrome is a delusional misidentification syndrome in which individuals believe that someone close to them, often a family member or spouse, has been replaced by an identical imposter. This disorder can lead to significant distress and paranoia, often resulting in strained relationships and social withdrawal. It is most commonly observed in patients with schizophrenia, dementia, or after brain injuries. indicating a possible link between cognitive processing and emotional attachment. Cotard's delusion. Cotard's delusion, also known as walking corpse syndrome, involves the belief that one is dead, does not exist, or has lost internal organs or blood. Individuals may express a lack of concern for their well-being and can become socially withdrawn, believing they no longer have a place in the world. This delusion is frequently associated with severe depression and can lead to life-threatening behaviors if not addressed. Fregoli delusion. Fregoli delusion is a rare disorder where individuals believe that different people are, in fact, a single person in disguise. This disorder can provoke feelings of paranoia and anxiety, as the individual feels constantly watched or pursued by this perceived entity. Fregoli delusion often occurs in conjunction with other mental health conditions, including schizophrenia or mood disorders. Alien hand syndrome. Alien hand syndrome is a neurological condition in which a person experiences their hand acting independently without conscious control. This disorder can lead to confusion and distress, as individuals may feel that their hand is not part of their body. It often occurs following brain surgeries or injuries affecting the corpus callosum, the part of the brain that connects the two hemispheres. How do these disorders affect individuals? The impact of rare psychological disorders can be profound and far-reaching. Individuals with Capgras Syndrome may experience a constant state of paranoia, believing their loved ones have been replaced. This delusion can lead to emotional distress and conflict within relationships, resulting in social isolation and a deterioration of support systems. For those with Cotard's delusion, the belief in one's non-existence can lead to severe depression and self-neglect. Individuals may refuse food or medical care, posing significant risks to their health and well-being. The profound despair associated with this disorder often requires urgent psychiatric intervention. Disorders like apotemnophilia can lead to drastic actions, as individuals may seek surgical amputation of healthy limbs in an attempt to reconcile their identity with their physical form. This condition highlights the intricate relationship between body image, identity, and mental health. Will treatments be effective? Treatment options for rare psychological disorders are often limited, primarily due to the lack of extensive research and understanding. However, various therapeutic approaches have shown promise. For instance, cognitive behavioral therapy can be effective for individuals with delusional disorders by helping them identify and challenge distorted thought patterns. Medications may also play a role in managing symptoms. Antipsychotic medications, for example, can be prescribed to individuals with Capgras syndrome or Cotard's delusion to alleviate symptoms and reduce distress. The choice of medication often depends on the specific disorder and the individual's unique circumstances. It is important to note that the effectiveness of treatment varies widely. Some individuals may experience significant improvements, while others may struggle to find relief. This underscores the need for continued research and tailored treatment approaches that consider the complexity of each disorder. Are there support systems available? Support systems are crucial for individuals living with rare psychological disorders. While professional help is essential, peer support can significantly enhance recovery and well-being. Online communities and advocacy groups can provide individuals with a sense of belonging and understanding, allowing them to connect with others who share similar experiences. Family and friends also play a critical role in the support network. Educating them about the specific disorder can foster empathy and facilitate better communication. Involving loved ones in treatment plans and therapy sessions can create a more supportive environment, which is crucial for recovery. Who conducts research on these disorders? Research on rare psychological disorders is typically conducted by a multidisciplinary team of professionals, including psychologists, psychiatrists, neurologists, and neuroscientists. Academic institutions and medical centers often lead studies aimed at uncovering the underlying mechanisms and effective treatments for these conditions. Collaborative research efforts are essential for advancing our understanding of rare disorders. By bringing together experts from various fields, researchers can develop a comprehensive approach to studying these conditions, ultimately benefiting individuals affected by them. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in studying rare psychological disorders, leading to increased funding and resources dedicated to research. This is promising for the future, as new findings can enhance our understanding and improve care for individuals with these disorders. So this is our today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Uncommon Facts, a channel that is entertaining as well as informative, or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.